I have been excited to use this Homika vacuum cleaner, and I have to say it did not disappoint. Living with grandkids and 2 large dogs, my floor gets pretty dirty. And after vacuuming my living room, here are the results. I can't believe how well it picked up the dog hair, let alone the dirt. It can also be used as a handheld. It has a 3-section power option with a 48-minute battery life. It comes with attachments and also has an LED display. Love that it's lightweight and cordless too. So go grab yours in the cart below.